Welcome! Today we're diving into a TOEFL reading, Complete the Words task. This exercise is fantastic for sharpening your ability to use surrounding context and grammatical structures to identify missing vocabulary. We'll walk through the passage step by step to see how the logic of the text points us directly to the right answers. Let's get started. If you're finding these strategies helpful for your prep, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. Let's begin with the opening sentence of the passage. This sentence is fully intact and serves to introduce our main subject and provide the historical time frame. Use this context to ground your understanding before we encounter the gaps. The samurai were the noble military class of ancient Japan for several centuries until the late 19th century. This sentence introduces the samurai as a noble military class that existed in ancient Japan. By noting they lasted for several centuries, the author emphasizes their long-term stability until the late 19th century brought about a period of transition. Next, we have another complete sentence that describes the daily routine and training of these individuals. This information is vital because it builds a profile of their character and skills, which will help us solve the upcoming blanks. Warriors practiced various martial arts every single day to improve their fighting skills and mental discipline. The text explains that these warriors were highly disciplined, engaging in various martial arts every single day. This constant practice was intended to improve both their physical fighting skills and their internal mental discipline, highlighting the dual nature of their training. Now, let's look at a sentence that describes the end of the samurai era. This historical shift provides the final piece of context needed to understand the logical flow of the entire paragraph. Eventually, the samurai class was officially abolished as Japan began to modernize its entire national military system. The transition word eventually marks the conclusion of their history, as the samurai class was officially abolished. The reason provided is that Japan began to modernize its approach to defense, moving toward a national military system rather than relying on the traditional noble class. We are now moving into the part of the passage where you must complete the words. These sentences continue the story of the samurai, so use the details about their military status and discipline we just discussed to fill the gaps. These B. We need an adjective to describe the samurai. Since they were a military class who practiced fighting skills daily, they were known for their courage. Therefore, the correct answer is brave. These brave ME. And O. After the adjective, we need a noun to identify the subject. The previous sentences refer to them as warriors and a military class, so we are clearly talking about these men. These brave men usually foal. This gap requires a verb to show their relationship with their rules. Because they were an established class for several centuries, they consistently followed their traditional guidelines. These brave men usually followed a sant, as in text is. Santalas, as the brave men usually followed a santalas for mating corps. The text mentions they practiced mental discipline every day. This implies that their regulations were not flexible but were instead very strict. These brave men usually followed a strict C. A set of rules for a noble military class is traditionally called a code. This fits perfectly with the description of their disciplined lifestyle, therefore the correct answer is code. These brave men usually followed a strict code of Han. Given their noble status and mental discipline, the code they followed was based on high moral standards. This leads us to conclude the code was honorable. T. We are starting a new sentence and need a pronoun to refer back to the brave men or warriors. In this context, the plural pronoun they is the natural choice. They use WR and presses as to R to Daytown. The passage discusses martial arts and fighting skills. Historically, the iconic tool used by this military class in Japan was their swords. They used swords to dene. As a military class, their primary role was protection. They used their weapons to defend the interests and safety of the local lords they served. They used swords to defend local lords. We need a preposition to show where or how they defended the lords. They performed this duty in various territories or historical contexts, completing the logical thought. These be. Excellent work today. To master the complete the words task, always look at the sentences before and after the gap to find logical anchors. Identifying the part of speech and checking if the word fits the historical or scientific context of the passage will help you choose the right answer every time. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.